This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Johnson. Sit back and enjoy a drink on the gorgeous back patio overlooking the ninth hole. You won't find a better view in Oak Run. This is more than a home, this is a lifestyle. The open floor plan home features high ceilings, tile flooring, granite countertops, lots of beautiful kitchen cabinets, new windows, walk-in closet, ceiling fans, brick pavers on an oversized drive, wheelchair accessible, and it has 3 additional bonus rooms. One of the bonus rooms is off the master bedroom, providing a private, quiet place to enjoy the morning or evening with a panoramic view of the golf course. One bonus room has a beautiful view and leads out to the patio. The last bonus room would make a great extra bedroom, office, or craft/sitting room. There is also a spacious laundry room off the 2-car garage. This home has been well loved, updated, and is move-in ready. This 55+ gated community is conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, and hospital. It features 6 pools, 5 spas, 2 fitness centers, 3 clubhouses, library, billiard room, craft and card rooms, dog park, and there are over 100 clubs to join. If you love golf or just appreciate a wonderful view of the golf course in your backyard, this is the home for you. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Johnson at 352-266-4823.